clean our room, then danced around with mop and broom. Tuesday came with books to read. They read about birds and planted a seed. Learning is fun, said Munni aloud. Chunni nodded, feeling proud. Wednesday brought colors so bright. They painted rainbows left and right. Red and yellow, blue and green. Their artwork looked like a magic scene. Through Thursday was for something sweet. They helped their mom bake a treat. Cookies, cakes, and strawberry pie. Yum, yum, they said with sparkling eyes. Friday came with games and cheer. They played outside, the sky was clear. Hide and seek and jumping high. Their laughter echoed in the sky. Forget-it day was movie night. Popcorn ready, lights not bright. Chunni picked a fairy tale. Munni loved the talking whale. Sunday came so soft and slow. Time to rest, no need to go. With stories, songs, and cozy beds, dreams of stars